Good afternoon, my name is Sylvia. I'm here at the hospital awaiting my surgery on Monday, and they're very helpful. The reason why I'm doing this is for my own personal health. As I'm getting older, no one can see the impact, so I'm literally doing it for my health. I like hiking and I like wandering the world, so for my future adventures I need to be in the best health.
Hello, today we performed obesity surgery on a patient from South Africa. However, this time there was a different situation. Almost the entire stomach was in the chest cavity. There was a very large hiatal hernia. What does this mean? Normally, our diaphragm separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity, dividing it like this leaf. And our esophagus passes through this diaphragm to enter the abdominal cavity. From there, our stomach continues. It is quite tight. In this patient, there was a large tear here, and the stomach had completely moved up through this space. Approximately 2 hours of the surgery was spent just on repositioning and repairing the stomach. We completed our sleeve gastrectomy, including suturing, in 30 minutes. In total, the surgery lasted 2.5 to 3 hours. What did we do during the surgery? We repositioned the stomach down to its proper place. We repaired the torn area by stitching it tightly all around. Now, our patient will be able to eat very comfortably and will not have reflux. At the same time, they will also lose weight. They will be very healthy. We will see the results now. See you later. Goodbye.
I feel actually very good. I obviously have some pain, but it is moderate. I really can't complain on all that. So the hospital has been really good to me. The doctor is very nice and friendly. The Yukon staff has been checking in on me regularly to see if I'm doing all right. So yes, I got nothing to complain about. Looking forward to be able to check out tomorrow and go back home. I have no problems, I can swallow. Yeah, no, actually really I've had no problems. Walking, did a lot of walking this morning. I must say I feel actually very good considering.